Hi everyone, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix this Apple ID hasn't been used in the iTunes store, just like this one. So let's begin right away. So there are 3 steps I can suggest in fixing this issue. First is to click on review and then agree to all terms and conditions. If it still doesn't work, you should open settings and then click on your profile and then click on payments and shipping and make sure to add a shipping address and your payment method. And then the last step I can suggest is to open the settings once again, click on your profile and then click on media and purchases. After clicking on media and purchases, sign out and then restart your phone. After restarting your phone, you should go back into this section once again or go to iTunes or App Store and then log in with your account once again. So that's how you can fix this Apple ID hasn't been used in the iTunes store on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.